Hello and what's up, guys? Welcome back to NPL Technical. So, as we all know, TikTok has finally been banned in Nepal, and many of the users are looking for alternative ways to still access TikTok, whether it's to make videos or access old contents. So, if you are one of such users, you have landed the right video because in this video, we're going to teach you ways to use TikTok in both PC and mobile. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So first, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok in your mobile. So the first thing that you have to do here is download TouchVPN, and you will have to do it from the Play Store of your device. And if you have watched our previous video, you might know how to download and use a VPN by now, but if you don't, it's fine. I will teach you how to use it. As you can see that the TouchVPN has been downloaded on my phone, now I will go ahead and open it. Now I have to choose a country to connect my server to, and for that I have to click on an option that says best choice and choose a country from there. Here I have chosen Australia, but if you want to choose any other country, it is absolutely fine. Then once you're connected and the VPN is working, you can go and open the TikTok app on your phone. And as you can see on my screen that the app is fully working and I can use it anytime I want. Now next, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok as a website in your PC. For that, the first thing that you have to do is open your PC and open google.com. Then you have to search TouchVPN extension in your search bar and click on the first link that you see on the screen. After you have clicked on the link, you will get to see an interface with an option to download the VPN. Then you have to click on the option that says Get. Once you have done that, a message will pop up on your screen and you have to click on Add Extension. Now you have successfully downloaded the TouchVPN extension and you may open the VPN. After you open the VPN, you have to choose a country to connect your server to. I personally suggest you to choose the United States if you're watching from Nepal. Then once you have done that, you can click on Connect and the VPN will start working. Then you can open TikTok.com to check if it is working, and as you can see here, it is working fairly well. That is all for today, guys. Now that you have followed the steps as I told you to, I hope TikTok is working on your device too. And if you have any other tech related queries or issues, feel free to comment it in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.